Marbury V. Madison, 1803. In the final months of John Adams' presidency, he attempted to appoint several Federalist judges in order to maintain some level of influence. One of these appointees was William Marbury, who was appointed as a Justice of the Peace in D.C. Marbury had already been appointed to this role by the time Adams left office. However, his commission had not yet been delivered by the time Jefferson became president. A commission is the formal document or act that grants someone official authority to hold and perform the duties of position. Jefferson's and Adams had historically opposed each other, and as such, he instructed Secretary of State James Madison not to deliver the commission. As a result, Marbury sued Madison. Marbury asked the Supreme Court to issue a writ of mandamus, an order requiring a government official to perform a duty required by law, essentially forcing Madison to deliver the commission. He argued that it was illegal to be denied his commission after it had already been promised to him. The court had to decide whether or not Marbury had a legal right to his commission, if it was illegal for Madison to deny it, and if so, whether or not it was in the Supreme Court's jurisdiction to force Madison to deliver it. The court had voted 4-0. They agreed that Marbury should have been given his commission and that the law had been broken by Madison, but they could not issue the writ of mandamus which would force Madison to give it to him. The Judiciary Act of 1789, which would have empowered the court to issue the mandamus, was found to conflict with parts of the Constitution. It would have expanded the court's power beyond what was intended. Since the Constitution supersedes federal law, they couldn't do it, and Madison didn't have to issue the commissions. While Marbury lost this case, the decision ended up increasing the power of the Supreme Court by establishing the judiciary review. Today, Marbury v. Madison is one of the most important constitutional decisions in American history.